Hello, Slam Production 2 fans, and we're back with some more solving the Rubik's Cube. I did get myself a little nice side, but we're kind of working on my second side right here. So let's go. Let's do this. Kind of don't want to mess it up, so the blue side, but we're still grinding. It's a grind. We're grinding. Yeah, grinding. I'm not good at this bird. Oh, also, if Frankie, you're watching this, I did extend the time, so now we can make videos as long as we want! Wow, and Tanzania. So sick of my head. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So I have a new Rubik's Cube episode that just ended.